Okay, now we are going to change the polygon's features color. So this is the new project, which is untitled, a new ArcMap project. Okay, now let's load one polygon feature. I will choose here English shapefile, and I will choose these districts in Aceh, Sumatra, Indonesia. So this is Aceh province in Sumatra Island, Indonesia. Okay, there are two ways to change the color and the outline here. First, we can double click the layer like this. It will pop up the layer properties dialog like this, or we can right click here and click properties. It will give us the same action, which is open up the layer properties, and we click the symbology tab here and show feature and select the single symbol here, and I will move it a little bit here so we can see the data frame. So click the symbol, this box, and we can change. Maybe we can select here, this is the predefined color like this. It's up to you. Okay, for now we will change to the dark color here, and the outline color I will choose white. Okay, and I will click apply first, not okay. If we click okay, it will close the entire layer properties dialog. But if we click apply, this properties, the symbol that we have changed will affect the data view without closing the layer properties dialog. Okay, we click apply first, and there. And where is the outline? Oh, I'm sorry. The outline. Okay, let's try yellow. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's change this. Let's see. Take a look at that. The blue one here, and the outline is here. The blue, the darker blue, but the fill one is the lighter blue. Maybe we can change to olive there. Okay, and what about if we change to the initial ones that we have created earlier? Yeah, there. Okay, and the second way is we click this little box here. Okay, just click down, double click, just simple click, and we can change his directly. Like maybe we click lake and we click OK because we don't see the apply button here, so it changed. But unfortunately, if we want to change to another color, we need to click again to pop up the symbol selector here. Alright, now I will try to click. The fill color is yellow and the outline is dark amber here, and okay, yeah. Okay, that's how it works to change the polygon features color in two ways. Thank you.